Hello, stop blaming your resume. Your resume is not the problem. I have seen thousands of resumes that says the same thing. They mention good in React, good in AWS, good in Python, good in Java, good in machine learning, good in full stack. They will keep mentioning like that. But companies are not asking one simple question. What is the proof? Since we are mentioning that we are good at React, we are good at AWS, we are good at full stack, we are good at data analytics, what is the proof? And the resume should really speak. Whatever we mention in that, we should also have a proof. Then you can also ask a question, how to create a proof. For that, is that possible for us to show or for you to show a live project link? Majority of the people will try to give the project description, project title, but they fail to give a project URL because the projects are not even having a proper proof link. If the links are not there, ultimately companies will think that we are not giving any kind of accurate information. And the next, a GitHub repository with a real commits. This is also very, very important. And if you are a serious coder or if you are a serious software developer or engineer or any software role, and at least minimum set of commits, real commits are really required in Git. If you can showcase that commit history, then companies would definitely give an importance to those profiles. And what kind of problems that you solved using the code? And you guys are mentioning that I am good at Java, I am good at Python. I also seen recently one particular person has put Python, Java, even cloud, AI, everything. The moment when we started asking the basic questions of each one of the keyword or each one of the technology, what they mentioned in their resume, they were completely bluff. They were not in a position to give a right answers. Hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. If you are in that particular list and if your resume also speaks like that, talk to us or comment resume and we'll definitely help you what is the best way to build a good proper way. And if your skills are not having a proper proof for each one of the skill mentioned, I'm sure you can apply but no reply. So that's the reason companies are always expecting a live project link. Remember these points: a live project link, a GitHub repository with a real commits, a problem you solved using code, and most important thing is a project deployed on cloud. That is also important. Now see, if you are a fresher, need not to spend too much of your money for purchasing AWS or Azure missions. It is not really required. There are a lot of free cloud platforms are there for deploying your tasks, projects. Netlify, GitHub Pages, or even different platforms are free of cost. You can even deploy them. So why deployment is required? So that whatever you guys are mentioning in your resume, it is the proofreading for a companies. And those kind of people are the one who is going to get hired. That is what we must be in a position to show the proofs. Okay, next, see, everyone will have their skills. Everyone mentioned that I know this, I am good at this, everything. No bad skills they mentioned in a resume. They will mention everything. Why? Because resume they are copy and pasting from their friends list, or they are copy and pasting from tools and other stuff. But don't ever try to copy paste. If you guys are having real skills and if you can prove that skills are matching with the project, what you built so far and what kind of problems that you solve, that is where it is helpful. Now, if you guys are going to search about me, my name is Murli Pagdala. If you search about me in internet, definitely you will see couple of pages from LinkedIn or Google or YouTube or some other places. Some project list will come definitely. So I have a proofreading. If I say something, I have a proof for it. That is the reason I would request you all to maintain the online reputation as well. So GitHub also, consistency. You please try to maintain consistency. Log into Stack Overflow, go to the Medium and go to dev.io. At different kind of websites, there are a lot of problems that people are facing every day, and start giving your own answers and start engaging content. So that plays a very, very important role. Because anyone can write a skills on the resume. Because it is just a free of cost, right? We can copy, paste and put it there. And resume looks so beautiful. But when we ask them what is fundamentals of system design, what kind of patterns that they used, what kind of architecture that they helped, what is the difference between monolithic and micro front-end architecture, people fail to perform because they copy it from some different source and they don't have a real hands-on experience. That's the reason don't do this kind of mistakes while creating a resumes. If you need a support, talk to us, we'll help you. Guys, but only a developer who can demonstrate. And if the person has real knowledge and if he has a real proof, those guys can even demonstrate and they can show that, yes, sir, this was a problem. I take it that particular problem. I know this many skills and I applied, NoSQL or SQL techniques for database creation. I also used API concept there instead of going for a normal methods, and I supported, these are the problems that my existing product has, and I started applying these techniques in order to resolve those problems. Like that, if you have any proof, then the recruiters, they can easily understand what kind of differences that the person who has hands-on experience, who don't have hands-on experience, they can also easily identify. Nowadays, recruiters are also using AI tools. And AI tools, the moment when you guys are keep talking and the moment if you are blinking your eyes and if you are not maintaining any confidence, and even if your dress code is not so great, and even if you don't have any social proof or internet proof for your skills, then AI tools will definitely identify our capabilities. Hence, the recruiters are going to reject us if you fail to prove. That is where proof is very, very important. And this is why I also seen when we are sending people to the companies, couple of members are rejected, couple of members are failed. Why few members get rejected? Why others get hired? It's not because of their resume. The resume, we are also helping them to prepare, but they don't have a proofreading. Proofs are not there. That is the reason companies are rejecting people who are just mentioning the skills for the sake of ATS systems. ATS, application tracking systems. People are also very smart and they will try to get the buzzwords or keywords. They will put all of them, and some or the other way they will try to trap the recruiters. But when it comes interview, and we can't even cheat interviewers, right? See, if you are highly skilled, all the rounds of interview, it is easier for you to crack because you are showcasing real world knowledge and real skills. But if you are not having that skills and if you are just, for a resume sake, if you build, and it is easier for interviewers to cut you. So please stop decorating your resume, and decorations by using Canva or by using Word or PDF, and don't ever try to decorate your resume. Start building proof of your skills. Your project speaks louder than keywords. Keep it in mind. And that's what gets you hired. That's why the important point, again I'm repeating, so stop decorating your resume, start building proof of your skills. Project speaks louder than the keywords, and that is where you get hired. Follow Achievers IT for real IIT career guidance. Thank you so much for watching.